Hello friends, good morning. Today we start a chapter 4 in class 10, quadratic equation. First you solve the exercise 4.1, question 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Quadratic equation है कि नहीं है उसके बारे में हम आगे भी सीख लिए हैं. तो पहले हम quadratic equation किसको कहते हैं? If the form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then and a, b, c are real number is not equal to 0, and that is a quadratic equation. Okay, तो हमें चेक करना है इस क्वेश्चन में सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने के बाद the term is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 है कि नहीं है. अगर ये term ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then that is a quadratic equation. Okay, solution this one. First we simplify this bracket. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3, that is equal to x plus 5 into bracket x minus 1. First we simplify 2x multiply with x minus 3 and minus 1 multiply with x minus 3. Similarly, x multiply with x minus 1 plus 5 multiply x minus 1. Understand? Okay. 2x into bracket x minus 3 minus 1 into bracket x minus 3, x multiply x minus 1 plus 5 multiply x minus 1. Simplify this bracket. 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 5x plus 5 ones are negative 5. Okay. All terms transposing to right side to left side. That is equal to negative 7x plus 3 is equal to x square, 5x minus x, 4x minus 5. Okay. Transposing this term, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square, that means positive x square. Minus 7x minus 4x, that is minus 11x plus 5 plus 3, that is equal to plus 8 is equal to 0. It is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, coefficient of x square is 1, b is equal to coefficient of x, that is negative 11, and c is equal to constant term, that is equal to 8. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. हमें इतना ही याद रखना है, ये नॉन जीरो टर्म होनी चाहिए बस. बाकी कोई भी टर्म इस फॉर्म में होना चाहिए और ये नॉन जीरो टर्म होगी तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. First to simplify the bracket x minus 2 whole square. Remember this identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. First to simplify the right hand side bracket, that is equal to x square minus 2ab, 2 to the 4x plus 2 square 4, x square minus 2 to the 4x plus 2 square, that is 4. All term transposing right side to left side, that is negative x square plus positive x minus 4 is equal to 0. Positive x and negative x is cancelled. 3x plus 4x, that is equal to 7x. 1 minus 4, that is negative 3 is equal to 0. It is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is a linear equation because x square term is not given, where a is equal to 0, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to negative 3. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, next question. Question number 1, say 1. X plus 2 whole cube, that is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. First you remember this simplification expansion. A plus b whole cube expansion is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Okay, first we simplify this bracket. X cube plus 2 cube plus 3x 2 into bracket x plus 2, that is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Simplify this bracket, x cube plus 8, 3 2 is 6x into bracket x plus 2, it is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Therefore x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x, transposing this term, minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Here x cube and negative 2x cube, that is equal to negative 2x cube, negative x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x, that is equal to 14x, and plus 8 is equal to 0. Here x cube term is possible, that is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, because x cube term is in the form. Therefore, it is not a quadratic. It is not a quadratic equation. Understand? x cube वाले टर्म आएगी तो a quadratic equation नहीं हो सकता. Again, next question. x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. First, we remember this expansion a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. First, we simplify this bracket. Left hand side term as it is, that is equal to x cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into x into 2, 3ab into bracket a minus b means x minus 2. That is equal to x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, x cube minus 8 minus 6x into bracket x minus 2. That is equal to x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, x cube minus 8 minus 6x square minus minus plus 12x is equal to 0. All term transposing right side to left side, that is equal to negative x cube, positive 8, positive 6x square, negative 12x is equal to 0. Here positive x cube and negative x cube term will be cancelled out. 6x square and a negative 4x, that is positive 2x square, minus 12x minus x, that is equal to minus 13x, plus 8 plus 1, that is equal to plus 9 is equal to 0. It is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, coefficient of x square, b is equal to coefficient of x negative 13, c is equal to constant term 9. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay friends, understand all these questions. If you have any queries and any doubt, please contact the number 940946363. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Okay, thank you friends.